wrong. I'm floating in and out of consciousness and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that.
All right, y'all, man. So I just made it. We just made it down here to pick up everybody. It's your boy, man. You ready to go get in that Florida water? I ain't gonna lie, it's finna be a long drive, bro. Like, I've already been driving 4 hours and we haven't even left yet. And I done been driving literally 4 hours. And I got like 7 more hours to go. Damn, that shit is hell. But anyway, we getting packed and stuff right now. I'm finna let them get packed and get situated so we can hit the road. It's already past 11. It damn near might be dark by the time we get there because it's starting to get dark early, but hopefully not. Anyway, we finna let them pack up and then I'll pick the camera up in a little bit. All right, y'all, man. So right now we are currently at Buc-ee. If y'all don't know what Buc-ee's is, it's like a big ass gas station, but it damn near feels like you're shopping when you go in there. That's how big it is. It's one of the biggest gas stations I personally ever seen. But Buc-ee's is like a tradition when it comes to like road trips, vacations. If we're driving, it's a must that we stop at Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is like the destination before the destination. Like, we gotta stop at Buc-ee's. It's law, you know what I'm saying? It's like a tradition, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're currently at Buc-ee's, but I'm finna put y'all on game right quick. You go to Buc-ee's, most people go to Buc-ee's because of, I guess, the brisket. I think the brisket is like the most famous thing that Buc-ee's is known for, barbecue, a brisket sandwich. But me personally, I'm finna put you on game. You gotta get the Texas cheesesteak burrito. Texas cheesesteak burrito is a chef's kiss, bro. Like, you gotta try it. If you go to Buc-ee's and you grab something to eat, if you like barbecue, you know what I'm saying, check out the brisket. I never bought the brisket. I tasted it though. I've tasted it from someone that bought it. I tasted it, but I'm not really into barbecue like that unless it's like southern barbecue, like a southern barbecue sandwich. But I'm putting you on game. Don't never say I ain't did nothing for you now. I'm telling you now. Don't ever say that Tay ain't never do. If you go to Buc-ee's, get the Texas steak patty melt. Shit is fire, brother. I'm telling you now, I'm finna smash buns. I'm telling y'all, the chef's kiss. All right, y'all, man. So we finally made it after 14 hours. For me, it was. I've been up since 8 o'clock. But yeah, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Something smooth and then too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Cool little bathroom. It's a what? 4 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and then we got the other bedroom in the back, man. So it's a 4 bedroom crib, you know what I mean? And it's pretty smooth, it's decent. Could have been better, you know what I'm saying? But it's all right. But anyway, yeah, we chilling, man. We finna get ready, you know what I'm saying? Get situated, and then we finna go do something. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we finna do something. So, yeah. Watch out. Let's see. But anyway, though, yeah. Y'all see it, boy. Y'all see that line up. That thing crispy. Them braid fresh. I told y'all I was gonna freshen up on that one. You know what I'm saying, your boy? Silky smooth. But nah, we back. I'm back in my what's it called? I can't think of the word right now, but we where the water at, man. You know, I love where the water at. So it is like 8 o'clock though. It's literally dark. I've been up since 6 a.m. driving. It's literally 8 a.m. I mean, it's literally 8 o'clock. So that's like 14 hours, bro. Insane. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. But yeah, your boy is tired, but I ain't finna be in the house, you know what I'm saying? It's Thursday. We gotta go see some stuff. But yeah, I don't know what exactly we're finna do, but we're gonna do it. Ain't it right? We finna do something.
Let go.
Here. Eat the food. I'm trying to get used to like just having the camera on. But nah, I'm finna put my shit back in, but I decided to get bread. Cause them locks, bro, I be feeling dirty, bro. That shit make me feel dirty. Cause like I try to be professional cause I do with the shit I do. Look at me, they be like, damn, this nigga a thug. And so I don't want to look like a thug because of the shit I be doing. But now I'm finna put my shit back in. I still might, but I kind of fuck with the braid low key. Cause it cleaner, and then it like, you know what I'm saying? If you don't get no retail, you look like a thug, bro. I don't be want to look like no thug, bro. The braid, fire though. You ever try braid? That shit, you might fuck with that shit. Oh God. braid be hard, bro.
Wait.
You gonna wait?
So I grow my beard back.
You can't grow no beard.
But on God, look.
People, you can record him while I'm talking too.
I just say that all.
Don't record the girls. Swiggy can't grow no beard, man. You might see that, boy. You might be a little older because your daddy got one. But yeah, though, man. I literally took my shit out. Finna get somebody. I was finna put them bitches in myself, low key. Cause motherfuckers in Atlanta be charging the arm and the leg to reattach the dread. Shit, when I first got my shit twisted by a bit up there, bitch charged me like $350 just for a retwist. I mean, not a retwist, to lock it up. Yeah, to lock it, but they be taxing in Atlanta, bro. So I said, fuck that shit. But there's some people in like Greenboro. Some girls in Greenboro that be doing that shit for the low, probably like $40-$50. Yeah, I see these motherfuckers. I fuck with these.
Who did that?
I'm probably gonna take these out though and get them braided back. I just want to see what it look like to the side. My sister braid. She braid for a living. That's her job. But yeah, don't chat. We in this bitch, man. We finna go. Right now, we finna go shopping. I gotta get some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't bringing that for real. I said I'm gonna wait because it's the summer, so I ain't trying to. I'm just gonna buy some shit because I ain't trying to get fly now. Cause it's hot as fuck in Florida. No point in, you know what I'm saying, trying to be stupid fly. So I'm finna just buy some summer gear, buy some shorts, shirts, t-shirts. And we gonna rent it like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. What type of t-shirt? It's the best t-shirt.
Goodfellow.
Goodfellow? I seen some too, but it was like a medium in the store the other day. Oh, they got some in there. What about the polo though? Polo.
That's number 2. Goodfellow.
What's good about Goodfellow?
The way they feel, bro.
Yeah,
I feel different.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
They high?
Nah, they cheap.
Polo high. Polo like swear $20-something for $30 for 3 shirt.
Yeah.
I think something like that. But yeah, y'all, we finna leave, man. I'll pick the camera back up when we get there. Yeah. All right, y'all. So yeah, man, we finna go to the beach right now. It's actually not too hot out here, bro. I thought it was gonna be hotter than it is, but it's actually good right now. But I think it's because it's still early. It's like what, 10 o'clock? Probably gonna get as hot as around like 2 o'clock in the day. But we finna go to the gym, and cause that's literally the only reason I be wanting to come to the beach is literally just to go. I said to the gym. What the fuck? I meant, see, it's so hot I can't even think. That sun shining like a motherfucker, boy. We finna go to the beach right quick cause it's hot. And like I said, it's most likely gonna get a lot hotter around like 2 p.m. So we're finna go to the beach because that's literally the only reason I be wanting to come to vacation is to go to the beach. So this is what we finna do right now. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. All right, y'all, bro. We out here, man. We done finally made it out here. You know what I'm saying? It's hot as fuck though, chat. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That shit feel good though. I wanna get all the way in. I wanna go all the way back though.
Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah. We out here right now. No cap. Hot though, I tell you. Hot as fuck though, chat. You scared? Say you scared. You're gonna be literally over the water. You're gonna be deep out in the ocean. JD, you gonna be on the ocean. Yeah, man, how y'all feeling? How y'all liking the view right here? Fish, ain't it? It is?
No way.
Nah, they caught like last time we were here, somebody caught like it was a silver fish. It was long and glittery.
Tuna fish?
Nah, it was glittery, bro. That joint crazy. Like it literally looked crazy. Damn, I'm putting my hand on that dirt nasty ass shit right now.
An oval shaped head.
All that nasty ass shit. Where they go? They ready to slide. Y'all ready? So we can go eat. Y'all ready? Who? Where she at? She on live. For real? So I need to start going live on Twitch. I was on Twitch today, but fuck all that. Alright, y'all. Smooth day. We out here, man, looking at the views, the vibes and shit. You know what I'm saying? This shit. I had to come out here when the sun started going down, bro, because the scenery is crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, the scenery is wild, bro. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful it is. Come on now. But yeah, y'all. The vibes is out, man. We out this bitch.